Mamelodi Sundowns are hosting Marumo Gallants in the Carling knockout round of 16. So we are previewing that match. The reigning league champions, Mamelodi Sundowns, and last season's Carling knockout finalist, continue their pursuit of domestic cup glory by hosting Marumo Gallants in the round of 16 of the Carling Knockout Cup. So what the details for this match, that of course the fixture is between Mamelodi Sundowns and Marumo Gallants. The competition is the Carling Knockout Cup, round of 16. The date is Saturday, the 4th of October 2025. Venue, it is Lucas Morepe Stadium in Atteridgeville. Kickoff time, it is 8 p.m. What is the stakes between this? This is a straight knockout match with the winner advancing to the quarterfinals. Sundowns are highly motivated, having lost in the final of this tournament last season and recently missing out on the MTN8 title. Coach Miguel Cardoso has stated that as Mamelodi Sundowns, they have an obligation to fight to win all the competitions. Let us look at the recent form and head-to-head. Mamelodi Sundowns are in strong form domestically, sitting comfortably near the top of the league table with a 4-1 demolition of Richards Bay in their last outing. Despite an early exit from the MTN8, they remain the dominant force in South African football. While Marumo Gallants are struggling for consistency, sitting mid-table and currently enjoying a winless streak in the league, they will be looking to their cup history, having reached cup finals in the past, for inspiration. The head-to-head, Sundowns hold a dominant historical record over Marumo Gallants, winning 9 out of 13 total encounters, with 4 draws and 0 wins for Marumo Gallants. Okay, that's the overall. Then the recent one, the teams played to a 1-1 draw in the Betway Premiership recently, on the September the 17th, 2025, which the Marumo Gallants coach will use as proof that his team is not an easy opponent for the big three. Then we go to the quest for the cup, especially for Mamelodi Sundowns. Coach Miguel Cardoso has emphasized the importance of this trophy, given the recent draw with Marumo Gallants. Sundowns will likely come out with a high intensity to avoid a potential upset on their home turf. What will be their strategy? Sundowns will rely on their superior ball position, high press, and intricate passing movements to break down Marumo Gallants' defense. They will look to exploit the wings and use the vision of their creative players. The key players to look out for: new Portuguese signing Nuno Santos, impressed in his full debut with an assist and will be a key figure in creating opportunities for the attacking line, including goal threats like Peter Shalulile and, of course, Irkam Reyners. On the Marumo Gallants side, their giant killer mentality. Marumo Gallants have nothing to lose and everything to gain in this encounter. They showed their resilience by holding Sundowns to a draw just weeks ago. What will be their strategy? Gallants are expected to be defensively well-drilled and compact, aiming to frustrate the Sundowns attack. They will likely try to disrupt Sundowns' rhythm by pressing in the key areas and capitalizing on transition moments. Coach Cardoso himself noted that Gallants' game is hard to control in terms of pressing the spaces up front. Players to watch: Ndabayithethwa Ndlondlo is known for his skill and will be the critical link between the defense and the attack, carrying the responsibility of turning defensive clearances into meaningful counter-attacks. He was the man of the match in the recent 1-1 draw in the league. So what will be the prediction? My prediction is that while Marumo Gallants showed they can frustrate Sundowns recently, the knockout competition format at Lucas Morepe Stadium, combined with Sundowns' deep squad and high motivation to win this trophy, makes a repeat of the league draw unlikely. Sundowns are simply too strong, especially at home. So my prediction is that Mamelodi Sundowns will win this match by 2-1. What is your prediction, guys? Go to the comment section and give me a prediction. My name is Tebos Kosana, and please, guys, help me grow this platform by joining. There's different categories of membership, guys. Please take that membership by subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. Also buying me the super thanks. Thank you very much, guys.